Alright guys, another episode Oregon Motorcycle. Today is Sunday. It's like mid-November. I believe it is 15th maybe? I don't know, maybe something like that. I got the new iPhone. As some of you know that follow my Instagram, you guys have already seen some of the pictures, and oh my god, I'm like so excited. I got the iPro. That's what they should call them. They should call them the iPro. It's just easier that way. I got the iPhone Pro Max, the new 12 that just came out, and my goodness, it is freaking amazing, guys. I'm going to show you what it can do today. So yeah, I went out and took some pics yesterday. I took a little bit of video yesterday. They turned out amazing. I did those on the way home, but the video, when I went to transfer it into my editor, was all blown out, and that's because I filmed in HDR, Dolby HDR, whatever is what it films in. And holy cow, it looks incredible on the phone, but it's not the right format to upload. So so I switched over to where it's non-HDR so I can get some film today. So I'll probably do some good B-roll today. Today we're going downtown Portland. That is the plan. But first I'm going to pick up my buddy Kevin. Haven't seen him in a minute. And we're gonna cruise on and try to get some pictures, and I'll probably be interested in taking some photos too. He's got a good camera, a real camera, and he just got the new Pixel 5 too. So it's that time of year, guys. New camera time, or new phone time, you know. So yeah, guys, if this is your first time tuning in or you're not subscribed to my channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below. It is the red box. It is totally free. Those of you who have been following my channel know I'm on a trek to hit 6,000 subscribers by the end of this year, which is 2020. And I need all your guys' help to like and share my videos so they get more views for potential subscribers, and hit that subscribe button. If you're not, just take a look down there right now and see if it's checked. And if you guys are liking my content, hit that thumbs up, because that helps too. Kind of filling out here. Anyways, guys, yeah, Portland. I know where I'm at, dude.
Oh, I need to get gas apparently. Got one bar.
I've shot the hotel right there before, and there's a federal building right next door. And those guys at the federal building got all crazy with me.
Because you had a drone.
Yep.
I guess I'm gonna stop and get gas here.
Okay.
Because we're right here.
My little girl, she's going off. She loves that phone I got her, dude. I smell cigarettes.
Delicious.
You know, when I quit smoking, I hated the smell of cigarettes when I smoked. And then when I quit smoking, I kind of like the smell of them now. It's weird. I'm gonna get run over town and take pictures and one in the back might be better. Oh yeah, here we go.
This is sweet.
Photo.
Martin Luther King.
Alright guys, we're just out here having some fun with the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's awesome. Stop there and take a picture.
Yeah.
They're giving out free meals.
Probably. This area is a little sketchy.
Nah. As long as they're not riding, dude, it's all good. We'll turn. I'm gonna turn this way and we'll go down there.
Left turn.
They
Next street, yeah.
I think the riots are over, dude, so I think we're good. I ain't tripping.
Go.
I wasn't watching the light, I was watching the train.
Yeah, pedestrian.
Alright, let's turn here. And there's pedestrians.
Exhaust, so ridiculous.
Fuck yeah.
It's like rah, 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 rah.
Fucking brap in your face. Love it.
Kind of wish they made this bike be able to have slip-ons.
Yeah. This is kind of cool here.
Because like I'm not gonna spend like $2,000 just to get it to sound cool.
I know, huh? It's crazy.
She gave you the thumbs up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we don't have Lambos.
She's just sitting there on her phone, dude. Yeah, you don't have Lambos, so you can't do it.
Yeah.
Right up here.
Taxis aren't a thing anymore. It's all Uber now.
It is, huh?
East India Co.
Smells good. Whatever it is.
Not open. I think it's that place is open.
Right here in the corner.
Yeah.
Something smells good, dude. All this food smells good. I must be hungry.
Some kind of bistro. Here, I can get out of your shot if you want.
No, you're fine.
Oh, streetcar.
Yeah, I want to see if I can get some pics of that. Maybe.
Oh, that's a good idea as it goes by.
Yeah. If it was night, you could do like a long exposure. Dude, you can get up to a 3-second long exposure with this handheld. It's crazy.
What?
Yeah. It's a trip, dude.
Yeah, this has night mode, but I don't think it does that sort of thing.
Mm-hmm. It's because this has this sensor shift. So the sensor is in there moving around and shit. It's crazy.
I'm just amazed at the photos this takes, like the AI that it does.
Mm-hmm. It's awesome, dude. These phones are amazing.
Is that a bus or is that the trolley?
Well, the bus just pulled in front of it and stopped. So I don't even know if it's back behind the bus still or what. I guess it would be. Crazy. All right, we ready to hit it? How's it going, man? Off we go, off we go. Well, guys, hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully you got the intro. If you didn't get the intro, subscribe to my channel because I'm trying to hit 6,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So I said that in the beginning, but I don't know if it was recording or not. But if it was, you guys get to hear it for a second time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super stoked with my phone. I had a blast today just coming out here to Portland and getting some pictures, shooting a little bit of video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This phone is absolutely amazing. It's the best phone you can buy. I guess that's an opinion, huh?
And Pixel 5.
Yeah. And Kevin here has got the Pixel 5 in his pocket. That's what he's got in his pocket today. So, you know, it's all good. Where are we going?
Left.
Okay. So we're headed back home. Gonna get some video edited. I'm gonna get some food in my stomach because I'm starving. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour around Portland today. Until next time, folks, Oregon Motorcycle.
See if I can remember how to ride this bike on the twisties.
The camera keeps going off. All right, dude. See ya.